So this is a very, very happy morning to me and to everyone when legend Theo stops by to say hello, as it is in the middle of the night in Australia and Theo is here with us. This is the reason I live and breathe what I do. This is the reason I wake up 5 o'clock in the morning to see students celebrating our global community. So thank you so much, Theo, for stopping by in the middle of the night. If you would like to hear Theo's podcast, please do, as Theo legend in the course, and stop by in a bootcamp to share his incredible journey and story as Theo trading Forex and futures and accomplishing phenomenal success. So thank you so much, legend, for stopping by. It's truly an honor to see you. Thank you. So let's start our trading day, shall we? As we discussed with my incredible students pre-market, as Theo knows extremely well, buyers fully in charge. Critical key trade that set up pre-market reached critical key target. As Theo learned in the course, this is a place you exit your trade, you do not speculate, you do not gamble. I choose to project software on 3-minute chart. I can project software on any chart I choose. Software for NinjaTrader 8 giving you precise entry, stop and target. All you have to do is choose your best trade. So what the price has done is confirmed all we discussed with my incredible traders. Bullish rally overextended, buyers fully in charge. This is a major mess for clueless, indicator-driven trader. This is spectacular confirmation for Alpha Fibonacci trader who knew quite well. This is retail key buy point that remains core for intelligent day trader. Absolutely worthless sellers, buyers fully in charge. Again, scanner running above. Another point of entry played out. Intelligent trader takes a trade. With a single glimpse, you can add any instrument you choose. Yesterday, I spoke with complete beginner trader Pablo, who came to the course without having any clue what NinjaTrader was. Now Pablo is a full-time trader, trading gold, trading Nasdaq, trading oil, trading anything he chooses in European session. Hand-holding never a recipe for success. Knowledge and strategic intelligent trading is. I'm converting this chart to one and I'm bringing you to extremely important moment, as intelligent trader knows. Bullish rally overextended, and without software, Theo would tell you extremely well. This is historical institutional rally that reached key Alpha Fibonacci target. There is no software on this chart, none is present. Proprietary level, proprietary strategies, I will be teaching in today's live class. This is a lesson on 1,000+ points institutional rally where billions and trillions of dollars been long. But what to do next will define markets for months and years to come. As intelligent trader understands with a single glimpse what this means, and this will impact not just your little day trading entries, but your long-term investments, your long-term retirement accounts. Historical event on this chart without any software. Software on this chart, now I choose to project on 5-minute. Is everyone clear what playing out to the tick? Identical level. My goodness. You can trade the system on any chart you chooses. It's all the same. I recognized it in 2004 when I started building my own systems, because I saw clearly that trading with indicators is a complete waste of time. So it's not your fault if you've been losing money, if you've been losing your mind. It's because you've been using something that does not work. So when you see instantly what works, what are you waiting for? Hand holding in trading never a recipe for success. This trade played out pre-market that reminding you only when you trade as intelligent strategic chess, Only when you are prepared well, you can become successful and you can trade anything you choose. For the rest of the morning, market can be stuck in pain on every single chart, and we discuss this with my students. Let me remind you why, as you witnessing in front of you again and again and again, strategic, intelligent chess. RZ means reversal zone. Is anyone surprised? Should not be. Price pushing back lower. And what price will do at this level will define markets for remainder of the day. If price will continue being stuck in pain between this and this level, nothing good will happen here. Intelligent trader understands. This is key retail moment. And we knew this well before market open. Here is why. This is why. My goodness, to the tick price reached this level on every single chart, and we discussed with my incredible traders that intelligent trader expects powerful pullback. All the details in live class next, all the details in hundreds of videos you can view 24/7. So doesn't matter if you trade tick chart, doesn't matter if you trade 5 minute, doesn't matter if you trade 15 minute, any chart you choose to trade. When you apply proprietary strategy and proprietary rules, you are seeing clearly. This is key retail brick wall to the upside, not to enter into. Absolutely no software on this chart, only proprietary strategy, proprietary rules, proprietary settings. You can view in hundreds of videos in member area 24/7, or you can choose to come to live classes. Most of our students, like Theo, live in different parts of the world, own businesses, work full-time. Come to live classes when you can, but the rest of the time watch videos 24/7. And remember, market is flawless alpha Fibonacci chess. No software on this chart. I convert this chart to 1. I recognized this in 2004. Every single instrument is exactly the same. Every single chart is exactly the same. So when you're paying attention to this and this, my goodness, what a junky retail chart. What a nasty market. What a stunning reminder of all we discussed with my students pre-market. Without powerful pullback, nothing good will happen here. And that's how you trade markets, as intelligent, strategic chess. As Theo does. On all instruments, all time frames, all platforms. This is the reason I live and breathe what I do. Such kind, incredible words. Thank you, Theo. I hope one day to meet you in person. Means the world. This is high probability, objective approach. You will not find anything else that will allow one to never second guess and ascertain with great precision where to buy, sell with precise entry stops and targets at the most important institutional levels. Theo never got paid to say this. What a nice surprise. Means the world. Thank you for stopping by. So when the price remains in pain, and price reminding you, the most spectacular entries played out pre-market, on every single chart you decide to trade, you choose the trade appropriate for you, and you avoid the pain. That's it. Software for Ninja Trader 8 with ultimate precision confirms the power of Alpha Fibonacci system and software for Ninja Trader 8. Between this and this. No software in this chart, only proprietary levels applied, proprietary rules applied. What else do you know far in advance? After this level to follow. After this level to follow. This is the reason JP Morgan traders trading this system. This is the reason I live and breathe what I do. 20 years of building my own system. No one else in the world does what I do. And with each strategy and system I develop, I promise you, you will never find more precision like this. This is the reason trading room open. This is the reason you are reminded. When a scanner giving you single alert, it means weakness. But is anyone surprised where it's coming from? Should not be. It's a bold green zone. But what a limited trading range. My goodness. So when you choose to trade a single alert as a day trader, you're trading weakness. There is no power. Price stuck in very narrow trading range. So now I choose to project software on 1 minute chart. Is everybody witnessing precision? Yes? Is everybody seeing how important this moment is? We discussed with my traders absolutely no shorts into this level, but with a single glimpse you knew this morning not to short into. With a single glimpse you knew this morning there is only one intelligent strategic option to buy at this level. But problem is trading range so limited, so painful. So the S&P continued doing this brutal job and staging drastically better power pre-market from much lower place. You had more space to the upside. There is no space now, only pain. So if you choose pain, you understand where it's coming from. As market flawless, Alpha Fibonacci chess. So the S&P crawling in pain, let's review other instruments. As Tesla bouncing from exact same level as playing out on S&P. Richard, my dearest friend for life, retired oncologist, came to the course when Tesla was in free fall. Richard loved Tesla until he learned that Tesla setting up for complete crash. From 400 until 100 level. Ouch. Richard no longer holding Tesla. You can listen to his podcast on website. Richard understood quite well day trading is not for him. He trading Alpha Fibonacci system via options. So if you are trading Apple, you know quite well. Apple at identical level as S&P this morning. Except there is no software on this chart. Traders in US and 58 countries trading all instruments, all time frames, all platforms. MT4, MT5, TradeStation, Infinity, TradingView, platforms I never heard of. So when you're witnessing such precision in the live markets, do you understand what plays out? Weakness. You learn in the course what defines weakness. You learn in the course the difference of what played out before versus now. Drastically better market pre-market, massive major news. So when I understood that it's all the same on every instrument, every time frame, that allows you flexibility to choose what you want to trade. Do you want to buy Nvidia at the bottom when Nvidia was at 120? Do you want to keep Nvidia until 1000 plus? As we've been monitoring 779 to the downside, Nvidia respected this level. Nvidia skyrocketing and heading higher and higher and higher. And we're discussing all of this in the live classes. So when you trade as intelligent trader, you understand. Euro, keep testing exact same level as S&P in front of you right now. It's all the same. Has anyone seen good news in Europe? So how is it possible Euro skyrocketed from 95 cents when my student in Saudi Arabia bought house in South France when Euro was at 95 cents? knowing quite well euro at the bottom. Jamal is my dearest friend for life. He certainly prefers South France. That's it. It's that simple. You can use system however you choose. So when later on today there will be oil news, intelligent trader understands 73 is a lifeline on oil. Oil sold off from identical level as you're witnessing on S&P in a play right now. My goodness, it's all the same. Every single instrument, every single time frame. You decide what you want to trade. That's it. That simple and that pure. So that's ultimate precision in our trading room this morning. So if you're ready to trade as intelligent strategic trader on all instruments, all time frames, all platforms, I look forward working with you. So here's Bitcoin traders. Would you like to buy Bitcoin at the bottom, as legends in the course have done? Would you like to exit Bitcoin before the crash? Can you use your limitless brain and make an effort and identify what's appropriate for you? Is it Tesla? Is it Bitcoin? Is it Euro? Or is it gold? Or is it oil? Or is it instruments I never heard of? If it has price, Alpha Fibonacci system applies. So when I receive the emails like this, and I'm meeting Ken next, and Ken just made movie about Fibonacci Trading Institute celebrating 13-year anniversary. This is the reason I live and breathe what I do. Because when traders come to me and deliver this after trying for 20 years, if Brad could do this, so can you. That's it. It's that simple. Do not overcomplicate trading. So in tens of thousands of emails from my students from all over the world, on my website I put less than 1% of the emails, and I've done it only in the last few years. This is the reason I live and breathe what I do. Because of stories like Georgie, because of stories like Brad. So when Georgie delivers and trades stocks in the middle of one of the worst places on the planet, if Georgie can do it, so can you. But it's not your fault if you traded a wrong instrument, a wrong time frame, a wrong software, a wrong system, a wrong indicator. The market designed against the trader and loaded with so much noise and so much junk. So when Tom comes to me and he's been trying for 17 years, what does my private mentoring student in New Zealand says? He wasted 17 years of trying. So if you're done wasting your time on noise and junk, and you're ready to trade as an intelligent trader, this is the words I hear time and time again. What is the power of my system? It's precise. What is the power of your trading can become? You can trade it on any instrument you choose. It's absolutely your personal choice. As you can hear in Theo's podcast, as you can hear why Manuel brought his wife to the course and they became full-time trader. Carlton brought 5 friends. Ken, crypto trader legend, Richard retired, David retired trading Alpha Fibonacci system. Every single one of these traders, different instrument, different time frame, different platform. So please, view students' emails I receive, read students' reviews, listen to students' podcasts. Because do you know who is holding the bar very, very high? Complete beginner traders. Pablo. Look at that. Pablo right now, full-time trader, trading it all. He closed his low practice. He said, I'm done wasting my time and stressing out. He's trading different futures. He's trading stocks. And if you want to listen to Theo, who is here with us this morning, please Understand, if you make exact same effort as CEO have done, the sky's the limit. And when father bringing his son to the course and son trading entirely different instrument than his father, if 14-year-old Dominic can do it, so can anyone. All you have to do, make an effort and identify the instrument appropriate for you. His father, Andy, managing multi-million-dollar accounts on instruments and platforms I never heard of, trading Alpha Fibonacci system. That's it. And that's the reason I live and breathe what I do. So when you come to the course, simply choose the package appropriate for you. Private mentoring, the most desirable option. Private mentoring and every single option includes live classes and video library modules you can view 24/7. If you are on NinjaTrader 8, option 2 and 4 appropriate for you, which means you can trade system on all platforms and with software for NinjaTrader 8 that comes with trade recognition software and multi-market scanners. If you are not on NinjaTrader 8, option 1 and 3 appropriate for you. Private mentoring savings $8,000, group course option 2 savings $5,000. Every single one of these packages at the current time comes with significant savings. So please review all the information on the website. Any questions for me, do not hesitate to contact me. 925-257-4298, info@fibinstitute.com as price, reminding you again and again and again. My goodness, look at that. There is nothing else. Only this is present. It never gets old, I promise. And that's the precision of the Alpha Fibonacci system on multiple instruments, multiple time frames that you can trade on multiple platforms. So I hope you're joining us soon. Please choose the option appropriate for you. The moment you sign up, everything on the website fully automated and you can start watching videos 24/7. You do not have to wait for live classes. But when you join private mentoring, I meet with you one-on-one. I give you assignments, I test you, I quiz you. I go at your speed. And you can also, of course, view videos 24/7. So thank you traders so much for spectacular morning, and please remember, I always travel the world meeting with my students, which I am doing absolutely next.